Alex, I got a complaint.
Jason, what? Because I knocked the thing off the shelf?
You knocked my crystal off, bro.
I'll have to get it after. That's bad energy. That's bad juju.
Yeah, after you got COVID, now you're knocking crystals off.
Yeah, get these out of here.
That's funny.
Give me some selenite.
Not COVID. I felt bad for you. Well, eventually everyone's going to get it.
I don't want you to feel bad for me. So, I was on a radio show the other day.
Right.
And they asked me a question. Like, well, they had made a statement. And they asked my thoughts on it. They're like, oh, I hope, we don't have any more pandemics like this in the future. I was like, let's think about something very obvious and logical. There's a set amount of space here on Earth. We keep pushing out babies.
Yes. Yeah.
If you think about it, more people, less space, disease increases.
Yes, always.
Look at London back in the early days.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone's packing themselves in the city. Disease just everywhere.
Aren't they having an issue right now with like COVID? Like something happened there, like where it
I don't know.
mutated or something?
Well, I hope not. I don't want to get
everybody's getting it again.
I don't want to get it again.
Yeah.
No, but the point is, if you look at it, it's like just be cognizant of the very obvious fact that these are going to happen probably more often than you think.
Oh yeah, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, we've had natural disasters. We've had plagues. We just had this level of comfort for so long.
There's just a lot of us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's just a lot of us on this planet and we don't operate very smart.
No. Yeah, exactly. And hopefully this will create a shift and a change into not only understanding the environment and protecting that, but then protecting humanity along with the environment.
Yeah. People always think we got to protect humanity first. Well, you're fed by the environment.
Yes.
Like, think about data. Well, we got to, protect the computers, blah, blah. It's like, no, the people are the ones creating the information.
Yes.
You guys, why are you so twisted away from the truth of where things come from? What you're really reliant on.
Yeah. What's those stones? And they think that Ted Turner may have done it, but they don't know those stones in Georgia.
Oh, Georgia standing stones?
And there's like the population should be, I forgot what they said. Was it 380 million or something? Somebody will correct us on that.
Well, yeah. Here's the interesting part about this. There's only so much arable land.
Mm-hmm.
What that means is land that you can actually harvest on. Okay, so that means there's a set amount of people ingesting a set amount of food over a set amount of time from a set amount of land. The numbers are fixed.
Well, don't we only have like 30, 40 years on soil?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
We can fix that now.
We overuse the soil with our farming because we're trying to produce more than what the ground, the nutrient base can actually support. Yes, we can get a higher yield for this many years, but we're destroying it for this many after the fact.
Yeah, because I've listened to these regenerative farmers, and they're so interesting, dude. It's just so cool to see these guys come out and say
they are the future.
They're as important as scientists and everyone that's out there. People don't realize.
I'd always said, like, if you're going to school, go to school to be a farmer. In all seriousness, how do you manage crops properly?
Regenerative farming,
especially in super high density populations. How do you feed the world?
Because there was that guy in Kentucky, and he had that small farm. What you consider? I mean, it's still hundreds of acres and miles of farming, but he's actually put plus like 60, 70 years in the soil.
Yeah, and that's
like he made it more from when he got it, and he started this. Like, I mean, he's like in his 70s, I think now. But when he got it, when he was like in his 30s,
yeah,
it was degenerative. Now it's so nutrient dense now with the way that, he moves the cows around, moves the chickens around, plants different types of crops, and his yield has been incredible.
Yeah. It's movements change like that for positive long-term benefits. That sort of change takes time. So we have a couple videos on TikTok. Some of them blew up.
Mm-hmm.
The comments are like, people are jumping on, and I love the fact that they're signing up. I love that they're commenting, right? I think it's fantastic, that sort of interaction with people that are using TARTLE. But there has to be some sort of patience that comes with this, where when you sign up, no matter how much we want to get you instantly paid, things don't happen like that. They take time. This is a community. This is a movement. And you moving onto the system, that took effort, that took learning, that took watching. And that same thing has to happen for buyers on the other side. So come together and understand that when you're putting your data in there, you're doing it towards causes that are important. So you might not see the benefit right this second, but it's going to happen in the future. That collective movement, that collective power, that regenerative farming, whatever it might be, Your data is going to change the future. It's going to do 60 to 70 years of healthy soil.
Right.
For you, yourself, and everybody else that's going towards whatever cause they're trying to solve with our data.
Yeah. And I think it's important that people understand, when they do sign up for TARTLE and they put their data packets in, and then they're like, okay, where's my Bitcoin or my cryptocurrency?
Right.
Where's it at? I want to cash out. That they're being a part of a movement.
It's a movement.
And I mean, right now you showed me some updates on the system.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm in the marketing side of things, but you were showing me that and I was just getting so excited looking at, here's these questions that are, the ability that we have, the more people that we have signed up, the ability that we'll have to be able to help humanity
it's going to be something like we've never seen before. And I love the fact that we have these early adopters. I love the fact that people get a little agitated. They're like, well, what's next? I want to get paid right now. We all want instant gratification. We hear you.
Right.
We're doing these redesigns. We're working with data buyers. We're doing all these things. We ask for your patience in this community and this change and this effort because it's all going to be worth it in the end.
Yes. Yeah. And I think being an early adopter is just cool.
It's always cool. And we have massive respect for people that are adopting this.
Right.
Massive, massive respect. You're doing a lot of good for yourself and the rest of the world when you sign up.
No, I love that. And if anybody wants to be an early adopter, how quick and easy is it to sign up for TARTLE?
It's so easy. We should actually probably make it a little bit more difficult,
because I know you guys have been working on this for a while.
We've been working on this, a lot of the onboarding, making sure people are educated and they're going through like, what's next? Where do I go? What do I click on? What does this mean? It's a guided process where we will handhold you through it. But to sign up, you go to tartle.co, TARTLE.co, and you're going to click on the button that says get started. In a very short amount of time, with your email address, you're going to get yourself signed up and you can begin to populate that information towards causes that are really important. And the best part is you can get paid down the road later for it.
No, I love that.
And if you feel like it, donate that money back to that cause.
Yeah, there will be causes on there and stuff like that that you can donate it back to or take a percentage of it and donate it to.
Yeah, show us that full cycle approach. I mean, that's cool. That's what community is really about. That's truly sharing data. That's real perfect information. That's us really elevating the world.
No, I love that. Well, thanks, Alex. I appreciate you clearing that up. If anyone has any questions, leave comments.
Yeah.
We love that.
And again, I thank absolutely everybody, all the early adopters, all the comments, everyone for your patience. We hear you, and we know you're going to be super excited with the new changes that are coming.
And sign up for TikTok. It's TikTok _
no,
official.
Not TikTok _ official.
Sorry.
We are not TikTok. It's TARTLE _ official.
We just took over TikTok.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Owned.
Yeah. #TARTLE.
Yeah. Very good. All right, everybody. Thank you.